Learn English Arabic. I would like, equals.
أود.
Polite requests fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun route to speaking confidently. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today we'll make polite requests like a pro using I would like, in Arabic.
أود.
Buckle up for laughs, drills, and a tiny genie cameo. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently use the phrase in real situations. Target phrase. I would like.
أود.
Say it slowly with me. Would, do. Think. Soft, polite, friendly. It's the velvet version of a request. Cafe dialogue. Imagine you walk into a cozy cafe, smell that fresh coffee. Barista. Welcome. You.
أود.
To order coffee. Barista.
من فضلك.
Please, what would you like, please? You.
أود. شاي نعناع. من فضلك.
Tip. Add the item after the dots, or say the item right away after.
أود.
Form and polite power. Let's compare tone so you choose the vibe you want. Stronger, neutral want, I want.
أريد.
Politer, our star, I would like.
أود.
Softer ask, could I?
هل يمكنني؟
Negative, I don't want.
لا أريد.
Magic please.
من فضلك.
Thank you.
شكرا.
Memory hooks. Lock it into memory with sound and a smile. Rhyme. On would, be good, say.
أود.
Sound link. Think of the warm oud instrument playing as you say.
أود.
Humor. A genie appears and says, make a wish. You still whisper politely.
أود.
Classy. Drills. Your turn. Answer out loud, short and sweet. I'll pause for you. At the restaurant, I would like to order a salad. Say it starting with.
أود.
Model.
في المطعم. أود.
At the counter, I would like to ask for a ticket. Model.
عند الشباك. أود.
Politely, I would like to request help. Model.
بأدب. أود.
Add please. I would like water, please. Model.
أود ماء. من فضلك.
Contrast. Say I don't want sugar. Model.
لا أريد سكرا.
Upgrade the ask. Could I sit here? Model.
هل يمكنني الجلوس هنا؟
Culture tip. A small word can open big doors. In many Arabic-speaking places, politeness is gold. Pair.
أود.
With.
من فضلك.
And a smile, and finish with.
شكرا.
Body language helps. Hand on heart, slight nod, then your request. Quick quiz. Ready to check your memory? Q1. Which Arabic phrase politely means, I would like? A.
أود.
Q2. Stronger tone for, I want. A.
أريد.
Q3. Say, please. A.
من فضلك.
Q4. Turn it into a question, could I? A.
هل يمكنني؟
Challenge moment. Make it personal for sticky learning. Create your own line starting with.
أود.
For something you'll actually order today. Bonus. Record yourself, then add.
من فضلك.
And end with.
شكرا.
Wrap up. You did great, high five. Today's star was I would like.
أود.
With helpful friends.
أريد. هل يمكنني؟ من فضلك.
And.
شكرا.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, and for more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.